In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to your Godaddy website 2024 edition. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track your site's performance and get insights into your visitors' behavior, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize your online presence. Let's begin by navigating over to GoDaddy's official website. Once you are at the homepage, the first step is to head over to the Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools section. This section comprises all the necessary tools you'll need to manage your site efficiently. Make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account before proceeding. Next, look for the Products section. This is essentially your control center for managing all associated domains, websites and additional products linked to your account. Click on Products and you'll see a comprehensive list showing all the websites you own. Select the specific website you wish to connect with Google Analytics by clicking on it. Now, after clicking on your chosen website, you will be directed to a new page. Here, you'll need to find and click on the Edit Website button. This will take you to the website editor where you can make changes and updates to your site's design and settings. Keep in mind that this area allows for a wide array of customizations beyond just adding analytics. Once you are in the website editor, look for the Settings option. This is where you'll be presented with various configuration settings for your website. Clicking on Settings will open a list of all the adjustable settings, providing you with control over how your site operates and interacts with tools like Google Analytics. In the Settings panel, find and click on the Google Analytics option. This is the final step in integrating your analytics. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to create an account on Google Analytics, follow their setup steps to receive a unique tracking ID, and then return here to input this ID. Enter the ID, save your changes, and voila, you've successfully linked your GoDaddy website to Google Analytics. It might seem like a lot, but following these steps will ensure you get it right the first time. Remember, having Google Analytics set up is crucial for understanding how your website performs and where improvements can be made. If you encounter any issues, be sure to check GoDaddy's support pages or the Google Analytics Help Center for troubleshooting advice. And there you have it. You are now ready to unlock detailed insights about your website traffic and visitor behavior. Feel free to replay any parts of this video if you need to review any steps. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.